What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here for you. In today's video, we're going to be doing a metal recovery seed backup device unboxing and review for the SecuX XSEED. It's very unique, and they have 3 actual different tiers of metal recovery seed backup plates, which I'll do in individual videos, which I'll link down below. Stay tuned, you do not want to miss this one. All right, guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing and review. I was sent from SecuX, the hardware wallet cryptocurrency company. I wanted to take a look at their new metal recovery seed backup solutions because some of them are very different in terms of the form factor, the design, and the security from other ones that we've seen. So today we're starting with their entry level one called the XSEED. And then in a follow-up video, we'll be doing the XSEED Plus and the XSEED Pro, but this is their entry-level device. We're gonna cover what the price is, we're gonna cover what the security is, and the overall form factor and design, and then we're ultimately going to end on what this compares to in terms of other recovery seed backups and if it's worth it. So I will say before I unbox this and show you what's inside, from what I understand and have seen already, that this is different in terms of its design and applications. Let's jump in and take a look. So I have this wine opener here that I'm gonna use to cut open the plastic. Okay, so in terms of the presentation, it's got a nice sort of cardboard feel with a security flap here. As we open it up, it gives you the intro, says your recovery words are the only backup to your private keys. Anyone with the recovery words will be able to gain access to your digital assets. And this XSEED offers secure storage for both water and fire resistance for the safekeeping. Now, if you're new to metal recovery seed backups, the purpose of this is when you set up either a software or a hardware wallet, it typically will generate, upon creating your wallet, a 12 to 24 word recovery seed phrase that you write down on a piece of paper. This is crucially important because you need that to restore your funds in the event you ever lose access to your wallet. So as you know, paper is very destructible. You can burn it, you can tear it, it gets wet, your dog can eat it, whatever the case is. That's where these metal recovery seed plates come in. So far on the presentation, since this is a entry-level device, I'm still very surprised by the quality of the packaging. It obviously gives you built-in instructions in terms of the engraving and in terms of the stamping. And then of course, additional security gives you tamper-proof stickers and sheets that come with it. So if we actually open this up here, you're gonna see that it comes with sort of a cover for you to see what's inside. Actually allows you to put it in as a sleeve. But what's interesting here is as I pull these out, these are marine grade stainless steel. Comes with obviously some stickers, as they all do. This comes with multiple plates here. What this is looking like is that this is the aluminum seed, and then this is the actual stainless steel on the 2 plates here. These are actually pretty interesting. I'm gonna unwrap these and take them out just to see and feel the quality. But yeah, this is pretty interesting here, and it gives you 1 through 12 here, and then 13 through 24 on the back for you to engrave your recovery seed phrase. Now, what the purpose of this is, it appears that with the aluminum seed, which is here, you use the engraver to write your recovery words on this aluminum sheet. Then the second step, you use the stamping, where it will allow you to use, literally, as you can see, a hammer here, that you can stamp the letters onto the side. So it's quite interesting, and this pen will allow you to actually carve directly onto the metal plate here. So you can literally, with a pen in your hand, engrave it. Now, it's an interesting concept because I don't know how, if I were to engrave this into the metal or into the aluminum, how exactly it's going to withstand, you know, fire resistance and water resistance as opposed to other form factors and other designs. But again, it looks like you want to first do it on this aluminum side, and then you can actually transfer it and do it on the metal side to make sure that everything is accurate. But as far as the tamper, there is a security, it looks like, for both of these. So you have 2 aluminum sides, and then you have 2 actual stainless steel, which are these ones. And this is where the final engraving is. So step 1 is to do it on the aluminum. Step 2 appears to be done on the stainless steel, just to obviously make sure that there's no mistake here. I'm gonna test this out and use it myself, but it appears that you use this sharp tool here, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it real quick here on the bottom to see how it works. So it looks like it's not quite making a dent. You can see some engravement here, but it does not appear to be making a direct dent other than just scraping on this side. Now, if I were to do a test here on maybe the bottom of this aluminum side, it's a little bit easier to carve this out, as you can see. I am intrigued because it is a different form factor. This is an entry-level device, and the current price of this device, as you see it in front of you here, is only $39. Now, again, because you're doing it on this aluminum part and then transcribing it over to the actual stainless steel part, the stainless steel is gonna resist fire, water, and corrosion. And it's very, as far as I can tell, it looks like it's very shiny and it's gonna handle this engraving pretty well. But I don't know if, for example, if I took a flame torch to it or if I left it in water with rust and corrosion, how it would withstand. But as you can see, using this pen here, I was able to make an indent on the aluminum side. So I'm gonna do a follow-up video on this and test it out, but this is very unique. I haven't quite seen anything like this, and I've seen pretty much every metal recovery seed backup. So I'll see if I can do a follow-up video after I've tested it to let you know what the experience is like, but I wanted to give my first impression unboxing and review. Go ahead and use the code down below if you're interested in this device, and the link that will be for 10% off all purchases. Can't wait to test this out for you, but my initial first impressions is this is pretty cheap for an entry level, but the jury is still out on whether or not using this engraving tool here that's very sharp will actually withstand fire, water, and perhaps I'll do another demo as a follow-up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here, and then go ahead and click here in the top right corner to watch my unboxing review on the second tier device called the XSEED Plus, which is the next level up. I will see you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.